Now, students, we will do question number 8. The question number 8 is rewrite the numbers with commas separating the periods using first the Indian system and then the international system of numeration. Here are some numbers are given. We will rewrite again these numbers with commas separating the period using Indian numeration and international system of numeration. So let's start. Take out your notebook and write down the question number 8. The question number A is number is given 5 1 2 3 5 6. So we will write first Indian system and then in international system. So Indian system, we all know that first period has 3 places and left other are 2 places. So we will read in Indian system ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So this is 5 lakh 12,356. So we will write with commas 5 lakh 12,356. Before 356 we will write comma. Then now 1000 and 10,000. After 12 we will write before 12 we will write comma and then separate. 5 lakh 12,356 is in Indian system. Now we will read in international system. We all know that in international system all periods have 3 places. So we will read ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. So this is 512,356. So now we will write 512, comma 356. So this is 512,356. We will write comma after 1000 places. 512,000. Now we will do question number B. Question number B is 432,357. So in Indian system we will read ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So this is 4 lakh 32,357 in Indian system. So we will write after 4 comma then 32 comma 357. In international system we will read ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. So this is 432,357 in international system. So we will write comma after 432 and then we will write 357. Now question number C 1354603. So we will read in Indian system ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this is in Indian system 13 lakh 54,603. So we will write comma after 13, then after 54, and then we will write 603. Now international system we will read ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million. So this is 1,354,603. So we will write in international system after 1 we will write comma, then we will write 354. This is 354,000. So we will put comma after 354. Then we will write 603. So this is 1,354,603. Now we will do question number D. Question number D is 5758590. So we will read in Indian system ones, tens, hundred, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this is 57 lakh 58,590. So in Indian system we will write after 57 comma, then we will put comma after 58 and we will write after 590. In international system we will read this number is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, 100,000, million. So this is 5,758,590. So we will write after 5 we will put comma, then we will write 758, then we will put comma, and we will write 590. So this is 5,758,590. Now we will do question number E. The question number E is 3063012. So in Indian system we will read ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this is 30 lakh 63,012 in Indian system. So we will write in Indian system, we will write 30, then after we will put comma, then we will write 63, then put comma and 012. In international system we will read ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million. So this is 3,063,012. So we will write international system, we will write 3, then we will put comma, then we will write 063, we will put again comma, and then we will write 012. Now question number F, 225,91681. So we will read in Indian system ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So this is 2 crore 25 lakh 91,681 in Indian system. So we will write this number in Indian system, 2 crore. After 2 we will put comma, then we will write 25 lakh. So after 25 we will put comma, then 91,000. So we will write after 91 we will put comma, then we will write 681. In international system we will read ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So this is 22,591,681 in international system. So we will write in international system, after 22 million we will put comma, then we will write 591,000. After 591 we will put comma, then we will write 681. Now we will do question number G. The question number G is 555,555. So in Indian system we will read ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs. So this is 5,55,555. So we will write in Indian system, after 5 lakh we will put comma after 5, then we will write 55,000, then we will write 55 and put comma, then we will write 555. Now in international system we will read ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So this is 555,555 in international system. So we will write after 555 we will put comma, then we will write 555. So this is 555,555 in international system. Now we will do question number H, 439,00734. So in Indian system we will read ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. So this is 4 crore 39 lakh 734 in Indian system. So we will put comma after 4, then we will write 39, then we will put comma, then 00, then we will put comma, and then we will write 734. So this is 4 crore 39 lakh 734. Now in international system we will read ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So this is 43,900,734 in international system. So we will write in international system, after 43 we will write comma, then we will write 900, then we will put comma, then 734. I hope you will be understand well. Now students, you will do the remaining question of this question 8, question I and J. You will do yourself in same as like this. Thank you.